Smart tools for smarter research. UP System online subscriptions. Clarivate Web of Science. Ang Web of Science ay isang trusted research database na nagbibigay access sa mga high-quality scholarly articles across various disciplines. Matutulungan ka nitong makapag-discover ng mga impactful studies, mag-track ng citations, at makahanap ng best journals para sa iyong pag-publish. What's in it for you? With tools for evaluating journal impact, analyzing research trends, and benchmarking performance, Web of Science empowers you to take your research further. Whether you're writing a paper, applying for funding, or exploring new ideas, Web of Science has you covered. Ginagamit ito ng mga estudyante, researchers, at institutions para ma-enhance ang quality and visibility ng kanilang academic work. Maa-access ang Web of Science through www.webofscience.com or through Open Athens gamit ang inyong UP Mail. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments. Mayroon ba kayong topic na gusto niyong makita dito? Share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Para sa mga karagdagang katanungan, connect with us on Facebook or email us anytime.